Welcome to China. If you are in China, you cannot use ChatGPT, Bard, or other AI tools. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everything is banned here. You can use only Chinese websites. But in this video, we are going to talk about how to use ChatGPT and Bard. And if you can use ChatGPT and Bard in China, then of course you can use all the websites which are your favorite websites, but unfortunately you cannot access them in China. So we will go to the laptop screen and see how things work. Here is bard.google.com, and here you can see that there is an error 403, I cannot access Bard, and similar is the case with ChatGPT because I'm using it in China. So how to solve this? Here is a VPN. I'm connected to this VPN, but most of the proxies are related to Hong Kong. ChatGPT and Bard do not work in Hong Kong as well, some other countries, and there is no American proxy for this Shadow Rocket. It's a paid VPN, but I found a solution for you guys. Here is the cherry on top. Go to Privado VPN. If you don't know about the Privado VPN, then there are two videos and links in the description. Just go to this one, connect your VPN. You can see now you are connected. Now you just go to Bard, refresh this page. Boom, here you go. Now you can access Bard. Now go to ChatGPT. Wow, that's great. It's working now. Here I'm typing something, enter, and you can see there is a response. Well, it started working. Now go to ChatGPT, ask the same question. I'm so happy today I can access ChatGPT as well. Here we go. It is nice and smooth. And here you can see that I'm connected to Washington, D.C. or any other server where ChatGPT works. So this is how you can access this ChatGPT and Bard or any other website that is banned in China. And cherry on top, you can go to affiliate link. The link is in the description. You can go click that link and get discount for this VPN, and it is great. If you have any connection issues for this VPN, then there is another video. You can fix those issues easily and it works flawlessly without any hesitation. You can go there and install this VPN, and it is not only about China. If you are in another country, then of course it will work for Bard, ChatGPT, and other websites that are your favorite websites but not working. Here I can go to my YouTube as well. Easy, quick and fast. Speed is great. That's it. This is how you can do it on your MacBook. On your mobile phone, as right now I'm not connected to any VPN, I go to ChatGPT and ask hello. It will not answer you anything because I'm not connected to VPN. Now just go to Privado because Privado is available on your MacBook, PC, Windows, and everywhere. So just go to Privado and connect this VPN. I'm gonna connect to United States. As you can see, the VPN is connected now. Go to ChatGPT and say hello. Wow, that's great. It's working now. How are you? Fine. This is how you can easily access ChatGPT and Bard with the help of this Privado VPN, and links are in the description. Feel free to go click those links and check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.